The custom motorcycle scene is continually evolving, and the Yamaha XT600 Malambo is a shining example of innovation and craftsmanship. This unique build stands out not only for its performance but also for its meticulously crafted components, including a handmade trellis frame and supermoto-inspired design. The Yamaha XT600 Malambo is a testament to what can be achieved when traditional motorcycle engineering meets modern customization. The foundation of the Yamaha XT600 Malambo is its custom-made trellis frame. Unlike the stock frame, this handmade piece is designed to enhance both the bike's aesthetics and its performance. The trellis frame, with its intricate network of tubes, provides a lightweight yet incredibly strong structure that improves the bike's handling and stability. This kind of frame is often seen in high-performance motorcycles, and its inclusion in the Malambo highlights the builder's commitment to quality and performance. The process of creating a handmade frame is labor-intensive and requires a high level of expertise. Each tube must be cut, shaped, and welded with precision to ensure the final product is both functional and visually striking. The result is a frame that not only supports the bike's components but also adds to its overall character and appeal. The supermoto design elements of the Yamaha XT600 Malambo further distinguish it from its peers. Supermoto bikes are known for their versatility, combining the best features of motocross and road racing motorcycles. The Malambo captures this hybrid essence with its high stance, aggressive styling, and robust performance capabilities. One of the key features of the supermoto design is the use of 17-inch wheels with road tires, which provide excellent grip and handling on paved surfaces. This setup, combined with upgraded suspension components, allows the Malambo to tackle a variety of terrains with ease. Whether it's carving through city streets or navigating winding back roads, the Malambo delivers a thrilling ride. In addition to its frame and design, the Yamaha XT600 Malambo boasts several performance upgrades that enhance its capabilities. The engine has been tuned to provide more power and torque, making the bike quicker and more responsive. Custom exhaust systems, air filters, and carburetors are often used in these builds to optimize performance and give the bike a unique sound. The braking system has also been upgraded to handle the increased performance. High-performance brake calipers, discs, and pads ensure that the Malambo can stop on a dime, providing the rider with confidence and control. These enhancements are crucial for a bike designed to deliver high levels of performance in various riding conditions. The Yamaha XT600 Malambo is a work of art, with every detail carefully considered and executed. From the handmade frame to the custom paint job, every aspect of the bike has been crafted to create a cohesive and stunning final product. The paint scheme, often a combination of bold colors and intricate designs, adds to the bike's visual appeal and ensures it stands out in any crowd. Custom builders often incorporate unique elements into their designs, such as hand-stitched leather seats, bespoke fuel tanks, and one-of-a-kind accessories. These touches not only enhance the bike's aesthetics but also reflect the builder's creativity and attention to detail. The Yamaha XT600 Malambo is no exception, showcasing the best of what custom motorcycle building has to offer. The Yamaha XT600 Malambo is a remarkable custom motorcycle that exemplifies the fusion of traditional craftsmanship and modern design. Its handmade trellis frame and supermoto-inspired anatomy set it apart from other bikes in its class, offering a unique blend of performance, style, and innovation. For motorcycle enthusiasts and custom bike builders alike, the Malambo is a source of inspiration and a testament to what can be achieved through passion and skill.